Let's explore an improvement on the two lever switches. Find your double pull double throw switch template, your maker tape, the scissors, the self-stick hook and loop dots, and your already prepared motor, fan, and wire combo. Let's start by creating the portions of the circuit that are related to bringing power into and out of the circuit. Measure, cut, peel, and stick maker tape pathways shown in the first image. The negative black circle path will bring electricity into the switch. The positive red circle path will allow the current to return to the voltage source. Remove the two wires of the battery pack from your first circuit. Using two small pieces of maker tape and the colored circle designators as guides, connect each of the battery pack wires to the appropriate paths on this new circuit template. Measure, cut, peel, and stick the first three segments of the lower part of the crisscross. Measure, cut, peel, and stick the first two maker tape segments of the upper part of the crisscross. This is a jumped wire, just like the one you saw in the green and white LED ROV outcome paths. Use extra length to enable this path to cross over and above the lower part without touching. Peel and stick the fuzzy half of one of your hook and loop dots onto the circle labeled motor. Cut and remove the U-shaped switch lever template labeled double pull double throw switch lever from the switch template bank located in the upper right hand corner of the Flatfish project poster. Pull the two dotted lines in the same direction. Measure, cut, peel, and stick maker tape paths were shown on side one of the switch lever. Measure, cut, peel, and stick two more maker tape paths were shown on the opposite side of the switch lever. Now cut two small pieces of maker tape about a ½ inch long apiece and roll each into a sticky side out tape loop. Now stick each of those tape loops atop the ends of the voltage paths as shown. Disconnect the wires and remove the motor from the first circuit. Peel and stick the hook half of that dot to the back of your motor. Now mount the motor and fan to the dot. Connect the black motor wire to the end of the upper part of the crisscross nearest the motor wire B label. Connect the red motor wire to the end of the lower part of the crisscross nearest the motor wire A label. Press the folded squares of the switch lever to the maker tape loops you've stuck to the end of the voltage paths. Measure, cut, peel, and stick two pieces of maker tape as shown. They should contact both the maker tape on the switch and their adjacent pathways to the sides. Now both sides of the lever switch are in contact with the power-related pathways below. Pull the switch lever back into contact with the points below and observe the fan direction. Now push the same switch lever forward into contact with those points and observe the same motor for direction of travel.